All right, we're finally jumping into the hard ones. It is the anaconda. Let's jump into it, familiarization. So around this cone, and here's the thing, we have to go around this cone, so now it's a tight turn, but we have to go to the right of this next cone, and then around this cone, counterweight guys, counterweight, and then all the way around everything. Some designs are harder to memorize, and some designs are harder skill-wise. That's the point. It's supposed to test your mental and your physical. All right, 23.35, here we go. Let's see if we can get better. This is a warm-up now. The other one was the familiarization. If you already memorized these designs, then treat it as 2 warm-ups. But it's kind of hard to memorize 20-plus designs without looking at your phone, which is on your handlebars, if you get the drills. All right, 21.64. All right, 21.6. See if we can beat that. Now it's for time. Here we go. Ooh, I gave it a lot of rear brake accidentally right there, and it skidded on me. That was a little freaky. It messed me up, and I think, whew, this is not going to be a good time. Oh, I almost put my foot down. Yeah, this was not a good one, but, you know, that's what it looks like when you skip that last tire accidentally. I accidentally pushed it too hard thinking I was going to counterweight. All right, 21.8. All righty. That's fine, guys. We still got a good time.